Bitcoin USD, looking at this one, it's overnight stuck in the range. I think it's just stuck in this area, sort of area of liquidity. So what is going on? The computer plays ball. If the computer plays ball, there we go. And yeah, just coming out there, dipping out these possible areas of trend in there, and sort of find its way back up again. It's just coming down, accumulating a little bit. We'll see. It's got to regain, come up, wants to retest those areas before ploughing through and gaining high highs. We see there, is it going to rush range flat along the bottom? Are the lows going to be flat? And we're going to get increasingly higher highs. It's a broadening wedge. Be prepared for it to fall through and fall low and a retest at the 35 area. Let's have a little look on the fibs of this recent. Have a look at on the fibs, this recent section. Here's what. Yeah, trying to have a look at the fibs, mate. There we go. Here we go. And then there we go. Possible test. Look there. What's that? 36. Will 36 hold that corresponding with the 786? Coming back, maybe some more. What have we got here? And then another little look, just see how things pan out from that confirmation of low. So, low there. What's happening in a bigger picture? Intermediate time frame. Again, that 786 just sitting there around there where those meet. That'll be a nice solid point. If it does come down, retest, reconfirm the support level of this pattern, that'd be wonderful. Zooming out and see what the big picture is, and it's going to pop out looking in the daily, see where you are in the daily, and that's where you are there. Coming down, how much further has it got to go in there? Yeah, in terms of Bitcoin, it's just kind of not very far, is it? That's from there. Well, there you go. Is it still coming low? How much low does it go? How low do you go? And again, that 786 is sort of lots of 3 times have been over there, and the 3 times that 786 has been in the area of this support line. So maybe there is that opportunity to retest on there, confirming making a strong sort of ascending, that vaguely ascending triangle on there with that positive higher high, relatively flat top, should come down, fairly bearish signal. Bearing in mind, there's all kinds of other issues going on in the world, especially in the crypto sphere, dealing with Bitcoin. So you've got to be concerned about low volume, all that kind of thing. It's how long this crab's for. And you can see down there before that massive rise, that lasted for a massive decline, lasted for, let's see, 64 days. There, so it's reached in there. It's not decline today, but a sort of area of accumulation. Let's check this one out on here. How many days are we in? Yeah, 43 days. So it gives you an idea of what to expect. Maybe it will come down for a retest at this point. If it does, that's quite a healthy thing. It's healthy because it just tests that support level, makes it really strong. Because that looks strong as anything. The amount of accumulation that happened there, high volumes going on, lots and lots of activity. It's not just a wick. That is a lot going on there. And will it come? If it does come low, just absolute extreme cases. So you've got this sort of broadish area down here. There. So really did want to test out there What's that price range on there? 29,402, and again it's 29,461. 29. So 29, that's an absolute low. Will it go there again? People saying it won't go below 30. That's almost 30, isn't it? That's a very bullish saying, it's above 30, it's 29. But, you got this area in there, and that takes it 31. What is actually in the 30? Yeah, one candle. That's not so great. But looking in the previous times, what else was at 30? 29,772. Around there. What's that? 30, 30, 30. So you can see just along here, let's place that on the 30 line. From there. So probably just need a solid line across. People talk about 30 a lot on the sphere of crypto, but the fact is, it's not an exact thing. It's not an exact number which these things are going to. See, broadly along there, just tip it off. So if it does come down, it can come down potentially a lot further. Be aware. Get laughed at for saying that, but it's a possibility. Like I say, come down. Probably expect to retest stuff here. Have a look. Okay, yeah, falling out, ascending triangle, tested that support area, come back up slightly, and as you can see, it's pushing up against there. Is those tops of those candles going to continue highs like that? What's the bottom's going to do? Already looking like an ascending, but is it going to come down and test this place, creating a broadening pattern, which is bearish, and that'll come down even further? Bear in mind, there's also factors of low volumes and such like on the exchanges. And there's also only was it 2 million Bitcoin left to mine, which is absolutely not a lot in the big scheme of things.